welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, but we got a special guest right here. Yeah, we gotta hurry up and get this intro because she wasted slime all over the bed. We're gonna be playing with slime in this video, and we're gonna also be talking at the same time. Ma'am? Why did it get like... Ooh. Who? Ooh. Just wait.
They got on the both of us.
Okay, hurry up, Shaper. Ew!
Oh gosh, oh gosh!
Ew, this not even slime no more.
We should not get this. We should not do this. We're gonna have to clean it.
We was gonna do a video for y'all, but I didn't know that it looked
turned
like
up
this.
all alien.
Let me see, rub it on my hand. Y'all.
It's still on me.
Ew.
And it's getting all
I
over
didn't know
me.
that it was gonna do this.
I need to get clean because I should never did this. We should never did this challenge.
I didn't know I was gonna look like this.
You should never did nothing to it.
I didn't do nothing. It was in there for a long time.
Dude, I know why.
I didn't know.
You didn't bring it out. You posted not put it in there for a long time.
I forgot about it. I just remembered it. When I saw you, I thought about it. Well, y'all, I don't think this challenge went how it was supposed to go.
We could make a finger challenge.
But you still getting it over your clothes.
No, like a painting challenge for our fingers.
But what we gonna write on? We don't have nothing to write on.
Paper.
Hold on, we ain't got no paper. Well, I can't find that. Okay, we gonna use this right here.
Turn it over.
To paint on. Just use this side or the other side.
Yeah, because it might mess up your paper.
Ew.
Oh, maybe we can put this. We can rub it on this. And nobody would know.
You say we'll know because it's all over us.
Yeah.
She told me nobody would know. Well, we was gonna do
a challenge?
Yeah, but I guess I'ma just have to wait till I get some more another time when you come back up and we gonna
make our own.
Yeah, cause I don't know what this is.
I forgot to bring some again.
It's all on my shirt. I mean,
come on, let's go wash our hands before we get in trouble.
We ain't gonna get in trouble.
I just don't like it.
I'm not gonna let you get in trouble because I did it. You're not in trouble.
No, I think we should never do this challenge.
You gonna get in trouble? When you gonna get in trouble?
Because I'm supposed to not be playing the song.
Why? You're not at home though.
No, if I'm here and at home and here still.
Did you do something?
Yes, so that's why I'm supposed to not be playing the song. Because I get in the water and slime goes with water.
You're not in trouble because I made you do this. Yeah. Well, I ain't make you do it. You wanted to.
No, you just started.
I didn't make you do it. No, you can't put that back on your face. No, you can't. I got a black one just like that.
Ew, ew.
Come on, follow me.
I can't.
Just come on.
I can't.
Come on.
I can't because I didn't put my shoes on.
You gotta wait. We should have did this.
Yes.
Somebody in the restroom.
Oh.
Let's use the sink.
Okay.
Man, I didn't know this stuff melted like this.
Me either.
Go explain. Tell them bye, Shagun. Come on, so you can tell them.
Bye.
You gotta get in the video. You can't just say bye. She mad because it's all over her. I want y'all to like, subscribe, and share, and I want y'all to enjoy this video because we had it.